Hello there, my friends. Today we're going to show you how to record your screen. And this is on an Android phone. This is actually a Galaxy Note 9, which will work for many phones. So here's what you do. Oh, by the way, if you want to see any other videos about your phone, put suggestions in the comments below about which videos you'd like to see, and maybe I'll do those for you. And if you like this video, please like it. It helps me a lot. And of course, you can subscribe for more videos like this. So take your finger at the top of the screen, pull down, and then do that one more time. Okay? Now, swipe to the left, and you'll see right here, it says Screen Recorder. Press that button. Now, you have several options when you're recording your screen. You can record your screen and just record the screen with no sound in the background. If you're playing a program, like say you have a YouTube video like I do, and you record Candy Crush gameplay, then you can record the media sounds of the game that you're playing. And then you could also do commentary over top of it. So if you pick this selection here, it says media sounds and mic, you'll get the sounds from the background of the game, and you'll also get your voiceover. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start recording. Alright, so let's say I'm recording this part of my screen. Okay, this particular screen on my phone. Now here are the controls up here, and they're kind of like dimmed out so that you can see your background. And you can move this menu all over the screen. So if you're doing something in this corner up here and this is over here, you can move it. And also you can make that disappear. So it comes, see, you can see a little bit better. Oh, here, let me move that. It's a little tricky. Okay, so see how the I guess the control board, for lack of a better term, has grayed out. You can also make that disappear by pressing this little arrow right here, and then it just kind of like slides to the left, and it becomes even smaller. And you can see this little kind of a rectangle here. If you want that to appear again, you just swipe like from the side of the screen out. So let's see that one more time. So that's how you get that back. So once you're on a screen and you want to do something on the screen, like there's several functions here that you can do. So you're recording the screen right now, and that's fine. But let's say you wanted to highlight something in your video. You're talking about a particular word or something like that. There's a little pencil icon right here. You hit that, and then you can pick the color of the line that you want to draw. So right now we got red. So if I like maybe draw a circle around that guy right there. So now he appears in red. Now you can choose that, and you can choose from a couple different colors. So if I just want to go black, say, I can circle that person right there. Or let's say I want to go with green. I can circle that person right there. And you can write, you know, letters or whatever. Now, these little arrows right here, now you can say this one. This represents a back arrow, right? So if I press this button, it erases the last thing that I drew on the screen. If I do it again, it erases the thing that I drew before that. And if it does that, it erases the thing I drew before that. So, and likewise with the forward arrow, it will just make those drawings appear in the order in which I drew them. That's kind of handy. So you can go back and forth. You can say, like, Bob met Eric, who met Steve, and then Steve left, and then Eric, and then Bob, or something of that nature. There's one other thing that you can do from this screen too. This little person icon will open up your selfie screen, and you can record yourself narrating over whatever's on your screen. So that's kind of useful as well. Also, there's a nice handy pause button. So if for some reason you start stammering, or you need to go get something, or your script, you want to rewrite your script while you're in the middle of it, but you want to come back to it, or you have an interruption of some kind, like you're boiling pasta water and you got to go get it before it boils over, you can hit pause, and then the red button, you press that to resume. And then, of course, when you're done with your recording, you simply hit this square button on the end, and then it'll say recording saved. All right, and that will be in the top of your notifications. There's a little screen recorder icon here. So if you pull down your notifications, it'll say video saved. So you can press on video saved, and it'll play your video. And if you tap on the screen, you can advance the video using this time bar right here. So you can see, and you can see what we did here. We were drawing, all that sort of stuff. So, all right. Also, once you're out of this and you want to know well, where did my recording go? Because now I want to edit it, or I want to update it, or I want to upload it to YouTube or something of that nature. Or I want to share it. Well, it goes into your gallery. So press gallery, and you'll see that today that's the screen recording that we made today. So you can press on that, and it says play video, and you can see it's the same screen recording that we just made. All right. Well, I hope that helps you. Like I said, if you have any questions, go ahead and put them in the comments below. If you have any suggestions for future videos about your phone, you have questions about how to do things, maybe I can help you with those. I try to answer all the comments that I can, and I appreciate subscriptions and likes. Thank you. I hope you guys have a great day. See if you can help somebody today without getting caught. It'll make you feel good. Take care.